Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna be learning how to level up a hero in Doomsday Last Survivors. If you are looking for a way to dominate in Last Survivors and make your Doomsday hero unstoppable, you can do so by leveling them up in Doomsday efficiently. First of all, open the Doomsday application on your device and from the home page, go ahead and tap on Hero at the bottom right corner. Once you end up in this hero page, go ahead and select your hero you'd like to level up and then click on the plus button right next to experience. Now, click on the level up button and you'll be able to level up the hero right away. You can keep on doing so, and after leveling up your hero, you can tap on the skill button and check your hero's skill. You can use the skill points earned during leveling to unlock or enhance abilities. And now once you are done, you can head back to the game and there you have it. You can easily level up Doomsday Last Survivors hero quickly and make them a powerhouse. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.